Like, subscribe, ring the notification bell. Like, subscribe, share, ring the post notification bell so you will be notified whenever we drop a new video.
Them know the thing.
Why? Cause they are something.
Chuki got the sauce, bitch.
So, you guys must be wondering what am I going to do today? Yeah, so as a lot of you would know, well, not really a lot, but for those who've been with me, you know, for a little while, for the newcomers, they may not know, but I've been having a serious oil leak issue. You look down there, sir. This is all the oil that drained out of the bike. I mean, this is while the bike is just standing there, right? And more come out, but to throw away everything. So I have a serious oil leak issue. It's basically with the engine. It's basically from the engine actually. So there's a hole in the engine and it needs to be, you know, corrected and thing. So what I'm gonna do, basically what I'm gonna do now is prep it, because over this weekend I'm gonna try to give you guys this video as quick as possible, but over this weekend basically I'm going to drop the engine, pull it apart, because the oil leak is coming from the gearbox side if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna pull it apart and we're gonna try to see if we can get it welded. Now any kind of welding can go on the engine, because the engine itself is made out of white metal, or should I say the engine case rather is made out of white metal, which is a different type of welding than your normal welding. So I have somebody who can deal with that for me. So the engine leak, it's coming from, and then we can show you from here, so use this. So it's coming from in here, there's right here, so it's coming from right here. So this side is the clutch basket, everything for the clutch up on the right side. But once you go down further, the oil leak is coming right from the center of the engine. So I'm gonna deal with that, but first, you know, I have to strip her down. I have some further things I want to do with it. So since I'm already going to strip her down, since I'm already going to drop the engine, just I go strip her down and, you know, take off everything. Whatever, man. Alright, so boom, let me add the things them. Let me add some little thing. This is called a shifter sock. So it goes over your shifter and it helps to protect your shoes. Yeah, one way I go. This are the what is name again? This are not really no mad nor nothing. This are the registration sticker holder. So yeah. Usually, let me show you. Usually I have the registration sticker right here, but you can't really see it so good, right? And police will charge you for that. Yeah man, that's a ticketed offense, because it's them would I say your registration something obstructed. So yeah, me I try be a good boy and not be in any problems with the law. So yeah, so the brake pad them here, motorcycle brake pad, $500 for this down at Sir Greg's. Yeah, I use regular brake pad at the back, but the brake pad them I'm using at front different. This is my chain guide. Alright, let me show you. Alright, so this is called your chain guard, right? And this is the chain guide. This is basically what it goes on the swing arm right here, and the chain basically runs on it. So right now me don't have nothing there, so the chain basically rub on the swing arm. First of all, that damage the frame or the swing arm, and second of all, it damage the chain as well. So this rubber thing right here helps to protect it, helps to protect the frame and the chain. So it goes right here, under here, right? Yeah. And then me have to adjust the sprocket. To be honest guys, there's a lot of work that needs to be done to the bike. To be honest, I haven't ridden this bike for like 2 weeks, yo. Seriously, 2 weeks. 2 weeks, and maybe I'm gonna go a 3rd week. You see me? But I have to get the issues fixed before I put it back on the road. It makes sense because it makes sense you have a vehicle and it'll give you a problem. And you keep on and move with it until the problem get worse, and then it probably destroy something else or lead to something else, which will cost you more. So I just go and bust it, you know, borrow people bike. And yeah, so how do you guys like this fairing? For those who knew, I had a little drop, you know, some call it a crash, whatever you want to call it, drop, crash, whatever, and my back fairing had a split in it. But it could have been repaired, but after a while it started getting bad until the whole light just crack up. So I'm gonna buy a new back fairing here. It's a different color. Yeah, I don't mind it being a different color because eventually, you know, some upgrades are gonna come. You can't really reveal everything like that. Just go and stay tuned, and you know, yeah man, I take off this, yo. A man could have easily thief my sticker, you know. Nah, a man could have easily thief my sticker star. I just blouse and skirt me tear it. Mama, mama. Yeah. It was. I have to take my time with it. Yeah man. I only show you this because it come off now and me now go put it on back so again.
Chuki got the sauce, bitch.
That's it, and basically I go use the basically use this, boom, open it like that. Brown dog, this is sick now, move so like you know, come out brother. Basically you would put the stick up on it like so. Yeah, and then yeah, you get the drift, right? Once this has something go on, shit, you know, yes, you want it stick on, this you have problem, man. So you see, if you try to take it off, problem, not even straight. Yeah. You know, straight, but and the thing is, just you want it stick on, you can't take it off, because if you try to take it off, it will go have this void and null mark. It will go have some markings on it where say void and null. So if you ride around with that, man, and police see you, trouble. And you do like a deal. It's lean, yes, but as long as it's there, right? I personally don't like the fancy registration sticker holders. I don't like the fancy one them because most of them it cut off like piece of that, you know, because them so small. I rather this and thing. You know, this might not look so good, but you can spray paint or something, touch it up and it good. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the oil. I'm not going to video that because I already have a video on that. I'll put it on the screen right now, so you can go ahead and watch that video.
Chuki Beats.
Alright guys, so this is how the bike looks after day one. So basically I took off the top fairings. I didn't get to take this fairing off, this bottom one, but it almost off, so I'm gonna take that off. Let me take off everything off of this side.
What's up guys, welcome back to another Paradise video. Today we're going to show you how to, I'm not going to get up. He's the man behind it. Look, he's the one doing all the work. I'm the one behind the scenes giving trouble. And yeah, let's get into it.
Alright, so this is where we are so far. Take off the entire back fairings them around here. And I tell them, man, I've had this bike for 3 years. I've never removed them back fairings here like that. Still not take off this yet. Soon take this off. The bullet I go come off as well. When I say everything, every plastic I go come off of the bike. I don't know if I'm going to take off the tire. What do you call this? The tire hugger. Or this name again? Shoot! I don't remember what name. The rear fender or whatever I name. This now. These are the rear fender. Sorry. This I go come off. Yeah, I'm going to take this off and try to see if I can. It's either make or try get a bracket where the license plate can mount. Because I'm going to clean up back here once and for all. So yeah, that's how it looks so far. Come on, drop a comment below if you like how the bike looks so far. Look like a Street Fighter, no joke. It really does. It look like a Street Fighter.
Chuki got the sauce, bitch.
I know Richie that put this a long backside bolt here. This long bolt here. I mean do it here. So I tell you bolt take help come out, the thing all feel warm. You know? Oh. Alright, so progress so far. Yeah, this is how the bike looks right now after taking off these. And this isn't everything, by the way. The rest of the fairings are in a storage room. So these are just some of the fairings. And yes, did it all by myself. It's an easy process, to be honest. What you have to do, you have to basically organize the screws. See them there? So you have to basically organize them so that Right, some moves. Yeah, so basically organize the screws them. Yeah, I'm a very organized person, at least I try to be. So I organize the screw them, everything, you know, and keep my workspace tidy as possible. What else? I want to remove the bullhead. I want to remove this. I'm not sure as yet. The reason why I remove all of the fairings is because don't know if you can see it on the camera. Maybe you can see it, but you'll see some cracks here, some cracks there, and some little part of break off. So basically everything it a crystallize up basically, you know. So what I'm gonna try to get everything fiberglass so that it have a the strength of everything better. And might do some spray work. I'll look on this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do everything one time because you know money rule the world. So I'm gonna take a little time and do what I need to do. Also the rims. I really want to change these rims, as in the color of the rims. I want to change them, so look forward to something right there. I'm gonna go clean up the frame because if you look, you realize that the frame, everything dirty. The engine dirty. Well, the engine I got dirty. The frame dirty. You know. Hope you're so dirty. You're so dirty. So I'm gonna do some cleaning up. Me now go carry it, go power wash it, because I don't want no water go damage it. So I don't think I go carry it, go power wash it. I might just detail everything myself. Use toothbrush and everything and go through. Yeah. What you have to say?
Like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bell, share. Yeah.
GoPro stop recording.